Hello guys, Maricel here again and welcome to my channel. So today's vlog is a very short vlog lang. So I bought this chi iron I think. Hello guys, Maricel here again and welcome to my channel. So today's vlog is very short vlog lang po. So gusto ko lang ipakita yung unboxing ng aking bagong chi iron. So actually bumili ako ng bago kong curling iron, pero may kasama siyang parang wave, lang siya, pang wave lang ng hair. So it's chi interchangeable curl and wave kit siya. So look at it. Naka-sale siya guys ng it was $124.99. Nakuha ko lang siya ng $89.99. So, PAK! Super bonggang savings ang nakuha ko. Alright, so binili ko siya sa Sally Beauty Salon, a beauty store. So, of course, hindi po ito sponsor. I wish, diba? So, ito nga, binili ko siya. Ito, may bag pa ang may bag pa siya, oh. So, meron siyang traveling bag. Tapos yun, pakikita ko nga yung laman niya sa loob. Ito nga ang resulta niya, guys. Ayan. Ganda. Parang, kung nagmamadali ka lang, you can use the wave. Yung pang wave. Tapos, siyempre, kung may time ka ng bongga, pwede mong gamitin yung yung wand, curling wand. Pa! Ay, naku, hindi ko talaga alam mga alam nyo ba, mga pang keme-keme sa hair, sa fast, ganyan. Hindi ako masyadong knowledgeable sa mga ganyan. But guys, yun nga, binili ko ang aking sarili kasi kailangan ko ng bago. Meron akong chi flat iron, mga siguro dalawa. Pero ito, type. So, actually, super worth it siya. Kaya ko siya binili. And then, of course, after I use it, I super love it! Ayan! Ang hair ng lola niya. Alright. So, guys, keep watching. At I will show you kung paano ko kinulot attach. Alright, guys. So, I bought this new tea. It's actually on sale at Sally for $89.99. It was $130, so I'm going to open what's inside. I already removed the plastic. It comes with a travel bag, which is nice. So open it. Inside there is this is gloves. Ooh. It comes with this thing. Alright, so this one is for just the wave. If we just wanna do the wave curl thing. That's cool. And then this is the wand. Comes with one. And let's do this one, of course. Oops. Right here. Alright, so let's try it. Cool, you can actually take it with you when you travel. So it comes with this gloves. You can wear it, I guess, to protect your beautiful hand. So let's try it, guys. Just get some portion here. So I'm using the wavy iron thingy. Let's do this. It's so easy to use. There you go. Yes, it looks cute. Those are pretty good. So it's actually just easy. It's easy to use, guys. So you just keep sliding. Ganyan lang. Just hold the hair. And then press it for maybe 60 seconds or 30 seconds. And then slide it down. Ayan, ganyan lang. And then slide it. It's actually good that it comes with this one because it's hot. Alright, that's the last part of your hair. My hair, I meant.
A few moments later.
Oh, it's cute. Yes. There you go, guys. So this is probably 10 minutes. I did it for 10 minutes. So yes. Oh, I like it. Oh, it's nice. So guys, this is actually worth it. It comes with two already. So the one and this one. So go ahead and check it out from Sally Beauty Salon or Beauty Store. Yep, there you go. Thank you for watching, guys. I just tried this new product and I love it. I super love it. Don't forget to like, hit subscribe, and share my video for us. Thank you so much. Bye.